Yes! Maglalakad lang po kami. Actually, we would like to see the sunrise sana. Kaso, 6 o'clock na, no, guys? So, tomorrow, agahan natin. Kailangan gabi pa. Kailangan madilim pa bago tayo umalis dito para maabutan natin ang... Ay, ano ba to? Lobat ba? Always lobat. 5:55. Woohoo! Energy, guys! Energy! Good morning! Yes! Ito-try namin magpunta sa back beach, sa Bulabog. From here, we will walk. Papunta po doon. Ano nga pangalan yon? Yung sa ano? Sa Squid Game? Hello! Yan yung sa Squid Game eh. Francis is with us and Mami Mavic. Good morning.
Hi. Morning. Magandang buhay.
Magandang buhay everyone. Oh, come on, let's go. Okay, this is the Bulabog Beach. Ang taas na ng sun. Ayun na sila. We're planning to see the sunrise. Pero mataas na. Tomorrow ulit. Let's try harder. We woke up at 5 in the morning. Tapos nakaalis kami 6. So malamang bukas 4 dapat mag-wake up. It's nice. Bulabog Beach, a leaning coconut tree. Good morning. Tony, do you know what's the name of this beach? Ooh, ano yan? Dala mo, Mar? Mar, what are you holding? Nakakatawa sila. Sinong nagpauso niya na bumili ng fishing, ay ng ano, ng net sa Cartimar? Kasi daw dati, di ba? What's the story behind?
You want fish?
You wanna catch small fishes kasi there's plenty of small fishes here. Ah, sige. I told you, pang aquarium lang yun eh. Oceana! May dalaga kami sa Pangpang. Ano to? Scuba diving lesson o snorkeling lesson?
Remove the water in your eyes. Lesson.
Sunshiny day here at Bulabog Beach. Oh, a dead fish in the seashores.
Here.
So they're gonna bury her.
Come on, Maya. Okay. It's the funeral. No. You have to say something first. No, you have to say here like one and I hope he rests in peace. Wait, I have fun. Okay, go. Okay, bye. Goodbye. And then let's make a drink. Yeah, let's make it. That's good. Go.
It's getting hot na po. We're gonna be having breakfast.
Breakfast?
Oo, breakfast tayo.
Come on. Breakfast time.
Itong team pancake at itong mga team fried chicken. Good morning, good morning.
Magandang buhay.
Magandang buhay.
Wow. River, we miss you.
Oo nga, River. Wish you were here. Iiyak si River. After we had our morning swim, morning dip, now we're gonna eat. And beach time again. Enjoy, guys! Daming tao. After ng Jollibee, ito, swim again.
We're now here at the Swan Beach. And I love it because the waves are so big.
Yes, maalo, no?
Yeah. And because it's high tide, there's shade. So that
No, this is the only one I can find. I don't know where the goggles are.
there was a school of fish kanina, sayang. We didn't get anything from it.
Okay. Nasaan ang mga net nyo? Nakakatawa. From Cartimar, bumili sila ng net. Hoping na may makakatch sila na fishes. Aasarin nyo lang yung mga isda dyan eh.
So,
Sunshiny day here today in Boracay. Day 2 na tayo, di ba?
yes!
Start na naman tayo ng...
Day 1. Because yesterday was night.
No,
Day 1 for you.
yeah, it's day 2 for us na. Yes. Mariana, na-enjoy nyo ba yung Jollibee food nyo? So convenient, no? There's Jollibee here. Ayun lang yung Jollibee.
Tony doesn't like the hot chocolate.
Oo nga, ayaw niya. Shout out to Jollibee. Bakit daw ma-thick yung hot choco?
I like it thick.
Si Tony ayaw ng dark choco kasi ang alon. But it's nice, no? It's high tide today.
Fun! Oh, there's a big one.
So nice. Mariana, ang puti mo, kainis.
No, that will change.
In a few days time, it will change.
More like a few hours time.
Okay. Enjoy your day at the beach, Tatay. Shout out to Tatay.
We miss you!
We miss you terribly, Tay. Love, love.
Love, love.
See you later here soon.
See you later. See you soon, Tay.
Lily!
Amazing! Here, grab the goggles! Yes!
Hi, Lily!
Oh!
Enjoy, ha?
Where's the footage?
Sige, set up nyo muna yung snorkeling gear nyo. There's lots of fishes here. Okay, Tony.
Dito na tayo kanina.
Okay lang yung kanina kasi dapat sunrise yun eh. We're planning to watch the sunrise there. Pero na-late tayo kaya the sun is up there na kanina. At least we enjoyed a bit there at sa Bulabog Beach, no? Okay, go swim! Ayan si Ate Oceana. Mag-drawing ata. Kung ano man yun. Good luck, guys.
It's kind of hotter.
Oceana, what are you making?
Yeah,
A beach landscape. Landscape pa tawag doon, anak?
Technically, this is a portrait.
A portrait. Ay, hindi nga pala siya naka-landscape kasi portrait. Walang kaalam-alam sa art. So, beach portrait. Wow! Technically, I like it, Oceana.
Paper shredding na.
Oh. Baka na mo moisture. Ibang art naman ang ginagawa nitong 4 na bulinggits na to. Sand art naman sa kanila. Mariana! Hi, Lily! Tony and Francis!
Oh, si River sa kasama?
Yeah, we woke up early. Diba 6 o'clock? Nasa labas na kami ng 6 o'clock. So nice and shiny day. Sa likod. Hi, Ate Osh! After mag-painting, babasa ng book. Etong 4 na to.
Tony!
What are you doing, guys?
It's the sand thingy.
Let me see. Little creatures.
First little creatures.
Okay, you're ready now. No.
Enjoy mga kids sa kanilang school vacation. Can Francis, escape on his own? Escape ba tawag dyan? Can Francis free himself? Woohoo, Francis! Oh, go to the beach na to rinse off the sand. Tony!
Let's go!
Hello, girls! Ayan. After ilang hours, anong oras tayo nag-start mag-swim? 6 in the morning, and then now is almost 12 na in the afternoon. 6 hours lang. Ang itim-itim nyo na, guys. Make sure naka-sunscreen maigi, ha? Asan yung ginawa nyong hole? Tony, para saan ba to?
Some kids destroyed it.
Yeah, the kids destroyed it. Our beautiful creation.
Sige, enjoy the day, guys.
How can I enjoy our creation? We spent so hard on this destroyed.
Okay na mag-create ulit kayo. Ano yan? Ba't may mga balls dyan?
There's sand balls.
Sand balls? Nasaan?
We can throw it at me. You wanna try?
Oh my goodness, no! Sige na. Bago nyo pa ako batuhin yan.
Where are they?
Andun sila. River and Francis are there. It's raining on that area, guys, oh. Habagat season here in our favorite island.
For me, Despicable Me.
Okay. Enjoy the movie, guys. Yes, we're gonna watch Despicable Me 4. Saan tayo uupo? Sige. Choose your seats, guys. Mariana. Hi. Hi, River. The movie. Ang babait. Muntik pang matapon.